Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Plesk WordPress using Plesk extensions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin backing up your WordPress site using Plesk extensions, log into your Plesk control panel. From the dashboard, navigate to the extensions menu on the left sidebar. In the extensions section, search for backup in the search bar. Locate and select a backup extension that suits your needs. Popular choices include WP Toolkit and WordPress Backup plugins. Click on the chosen extension to access its details. Now, install the extension by clicking the Install button. Once the installation is complete, return to the Plesk dashboard. Next, find the WordPress option in the left sidebar. Select the WordPress site you want to backup from the list provided. In the WordPress management area, you will see an option for backup. Click on the backup option to start the backup process. You may have the option to choose between a full backup or selective backup. Select your preferred backup type and proceed. If prompted, configure any additional settings such as backup frequency or storage location. After finalizing the settings, click on the backup button to initiate the process. The backup may take a few moments, depending on the size of your site. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear. You can view your backup files in the backup section of the extension. Additionally, consider setting up a schedule for automatic backups for added security. Regular backups ensure that your WordPress site remains safe and recoverable in case of data loss. You are now ready to manage your backups effectively using Plesk extensions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.